A very good morning to class 7th. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your social science teacher, and today we are going to discuss chapter 8, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Natural vegetation, the plants which grow naturally and not due to human intervention, are called natural vegetation. Natural vegetation can be broadly classified as forests, grasslands, and shrubs. Forests grow well in hot and humid climates. Grasslands are found in regions of moderate rainfall, and shrubs are found in dry areas. So, children, let us discuss in detail about all the natural vegetation. Now, the first one is forest. Tropical evergreen forest, right? This is the first type of forest. Forests are the closed formation of trees growing together at particular place. A true forest is one in which the trees grow so close to one and another that their canopies touch. The forests of the world are broadly classified into six types, and first one is tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are also called as tropical rainforest. The areas experience a hot and humid climate in this forest throughout the year. This helps in growth of thick vegetations with as many as 50 species of trees in 1 hectare of land. As there is no dry season, broad-leaved evergreen trees grow. These trees do not shed their leaves altogether. The closely spaced trees form thick and broad canopy, right? So, as there is rainfall throughout the year, we have these forests are very dense. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony are found in this forest, right? These forests are also called as equatorial forest. Okay, so this is the first type of forest. The next one is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. These forests are found in the monsoon region of Asia, parts of Central America, Brazil, and Northern Australia. There is a distinct dry season in this forest. In this region, the vegetation is affected by the seasonal changes of temperature and distribution of rainfall. These forests have thick undergrowth of small trees and shrubs. The trees are less dense and of medium height as compared to the tropical evergreen forest or rainforest. Now, the third type of forest is temperate evergreen forests. Temperate evergreen forests are found in the warm temperature areas along the eastern margin of the continents. The main areas are South China, southeastern USA, southeastern Brazil, east coast of South Africa, and eastern Australia. The temperate evergreen forests are mixed forests of hard and softwood trees. The lowland generally have mixed forests of coniferous and deciduous variety, while the highlands have only coniferous trees. The forests here are dense and the timber is valuable. The main trees are oak, pine, walnut, and camphor. Temperate deciduous forests. Temperate deciduous forests are found in coastal regions having cool temperate climate and moderate rainfall. The main forested areas are in Western Europe, northeastern China, South Korea, Japan, and New Zealand. The trees generally here are thick trunk and broad leaves. And they have broad leaves. The trees are mostly deciduous. They shed their leaves in autumn season and remain leafless throughout the winter season. The main commercial tree species found in the temperate deciduous forest are oak, ash, beech, cedar, redwood, etc. Due to the favorable climatic condition of producing crops and a rapid growth of population, these forests have been extensively cleared to provide land for agriculture and industry. The next type of forest are Mediterranean forests. These forests are found around the Mediterranean Sea. The main areas found in the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Other areas outside this region are California, Southwest Africa, and Southwest Australia. The important trees found in this forest are oak, olive, fig, pine, etc. The nuts, olive oil, and citrus fruit are the main products from this forest. The main citrus fruits produced in this region include oranges, figs, olives, grapes, peaches, and plums. In recent area, the natural vegetation has largely been removed to provide land for the agriculture and fruit farming. There is hardly any wildlife in this region. And the last type of forest is coniferous forest. Coniferous forests are also known as taiga. Okay, these forests are found in broad belt lying between 50° north and 70° north and in the region of high altitude. This belt is found around the North Polar region. The main areas are Alaska, southern Canada, and northern Russia. The plant growth in this forest is slow due to very cold winters and short cool summers. The main types of trees found are pine, fir, cedar, hemlock. These forests are of great commercial value. The softwood of the coniferous forest is widely used to make pulp, paper, furniture, matchsticks, plywood, doors, sports goods, and toys. Okay, so these are the six types of forest. Now, the second type of natural vegetation is grasslands. Grasslands are mostly found in the region of low rainfall. The first type of grassland is tropical grassland. Tropical grasslands are also called savanna. These are found on either side of equatorial region in Africa, part of Brazilian plateau, Deccan Plateau of India and northern Australia. In the area where Mediterranean forests are found, the temperature is high and total annual rainfall ranges between 25 centimeter to 75 centimeter. This amount of rainfall is too moist for a desert and too dry for a forest. Thus, tall grassland about 2 meter to 4 meter in height with scattered trees grow here. Most of the tropical grasslands are now used for grazing and farming. Some grasslands have become deserts. These grasslands are home to large variety of animals. And the second type of grassland is temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands are found in the middle latitudes in the interior of the continents. This level, treeless plains are found between 40° and 55° latitudes in both the hemispheres. The rainfall in this area where temperate grasslands are found is not sufficient for the growth of trees. Thus, short grasses grow everywhere. These grasslands are more suitable for cattle and sheep rearing. In many areas of extensive farming is practiced for cultivation of wheat and corn, right? So these are the two types of grassland. First one is tropical and the second one is temperate grassland. Now let us go for the third type of vegetation, that is shrubs. Shrubs are short bushy plants which grow in extreme hot and cold areas. Thus, shrubs are mostly found in hot desert or in a cold region. There are two types of shrubs. First one is desert vegetation and the second one is tundra vegetation. Hot and dry deserts are found in the tropical and subtropical region, and here desert vegetations are found, and tundra vegetations are found around the North Pole and North America. Now let us go for the wildlife. Wildlife includes plants and animals that live on land and in water. The distribution of plants and animals is determined by the climate. Wildlife is sufficient part of our environment, and the species of animals are referred to as fauna. Now let us see the different types of animals which are found in different types of regions. Animals of tropical region. The animals living in the forested areas of tropical and subtropical region have adapted themselves to the prevailing condition. Turtles, snakes, alligators and crocodiles live in the rivers, and there are monkeys, apes, bats, tree lizards, etc. in the forest. Anaconda, which is one of the largest snakes, is found in this region. Now, animals found in the temperate region. Animals living in the temperate forests are almost similar, but the number of species is less. The well-known species are deer, foxes, wolves, etc. There is little wildlife in the Mediterranean region, right? So these are the animals which are found in the temperate region. Now let us see the animals found in the tropical and temperate grasslands are both herbivorous and carnivorous. The main species in the tropical grasslands are zebras, giraffes, deer, elephants, panthers, wild buffaloes, etc. In the temperate grasslands, wolves, wild dogs, and rabbits are also found. Now, the next one is animals of desert. The animals in desert have different ways to survive the hot and dry climate. A camel can move easily on the sand. Its body parts are well adapted to the desert condition. Hyenas, foxes, jackals, and wild asses are the other animals found in this region. And the last one is animals of cold region. In cold region, animals have thick skin and furs to protect them from the extreme cold. Reindeers, polar bear, wolf, arctic fox, seal and walrus are some of the animals found in the cold region. Right? So class, here we complete our chapter. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.